Have you ever found yourself scrolling through job boards, wondering how to break into tech without spending years or literally a fortune on a college degree? I've been there. It's extremely overwhelming feeling. But if you've been there like me, you've likely heard about boot camps or even possibly thought about signing up for one. You see, boot camps are these intensive programs that promise to teach you everything you need to know to land a job in tech and in just a few months. Sounds great, right? But at the same time, it makes you wonder, is it really that simple? The truth is, boot camps can be life-changing for the right person, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution and definitely not all created equal. In this video, we're going to explore how boot camps work, what they really offer, and whether they're the right path for you. And along the way, I'll share a closer look at TripleTen, the partner of this video, to help you see what sets them apart from the rest. And there's one feature they offer that actually might surprise you. And while this isn't a review of their platform, think of it as a showcase of what they bring to the table so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. So if you've ever been curious about boot camps or you're wondering if one could be the next step in your career, stick around. Without any further ado, let's dive in. So before I broke into tech, I was in a bit of a tough spot. I had just lost my job as a bulldozer operator, and I knew I needed to make a career change. And if I was going to do it, I had to do it fast. I wanted something stable with room to grow, and tech seemed to be the perfect fit because I always had a huge passion for tech. But here's the thing, I didn't have years to go back to school, and I didn't have endless resources to lollygag and figure it out all on my own. That's when I actually first started hearing about boot camps. These programs that promise to teach you job-ready skills in just a few months. Sounded exactly what I needed, but back then I couldn't find a boot camp that suited my needs. I wanted something flexible, career-focused, and tailored to what I was looking for. Looking back though, I would have been an ideal candidate for a boot camp. I was motivated, ready for a change, and willing to put in the work to make it happen. And now seeing how far some of these boot camps have come, with programs like TripleTen offering flexibility and real-world results, I can't help but wonder how different my journey might have been if I had access to something like that back when I started. But here's the thing, boot camps are not for everyone. They are not a magic solution. And that's why in this video, we're going to dig into what they really offer and how they work, and whether they're the right path for someone like you. All right, so let's talk about what you can actually expect from these tech boot camps. These programs are designed to be fast, intensive, and laser focused on teaching you the skills you need to land a job in tech. Nothing more, nothing less. First off, boot camps are not for the faint of heart. Most programs run anywhere from 3 to 6 months, and they pack a lot of information into that time. You'll be learning concepts, applying them in real time, and completing projects far faster than anything you would find in a traditional classroom. Imagine cramming the highlights of a 4-year degree in just a few months. It's doable, but requires focus, discipline, and a willingness to embrace the grind. The biggest difference between a bootcamp and, say, a college course is the focus on hands-on learning. You're not just studying theory or writing essays, you're building real-world projects, solving problems, and gaining the kind of experience employers actually care about. For example, in a coding bootcamp like TripleTen's software engineering program, you might create a fully functional app or website from scratch. In their data analytics course, you could work on analyzing real-world data sets. These aren't just classroom exercises, they're portfolio pieces that you can showcase to your potential employers. Also, TripleTen has great opportunities for those who are not sure which tech career track they would like to follow. You can go to their website and take a free career quiz that takes less than 5 minutes to complete. This is great for those in their first stages learning about different professions in tech. Or you can get a free career consultation where a career advisor can actually help you choose a program that is best fitted for you. It's as simple as scanning the QR code on the screen here and making an appointment for a free consultation. Another thing that sets bootcamps apart is the career support they offer. Most programs include resume building, mock interviews, and even networking opportunities with hiring partners. Some, like TripleTen, even go further by assigning you a career coach who helps you navigate your job search every step of the way. This focus on employment is one of the main reasons boot camps have become so popular in the last few years. They don't just teach you the skills, they help you use those skills to land an actual job. But that's not all. TripleTen also offers you more professional support options like tutors, code reviewers, and success managers. You can choose all you need or mix and match. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Boot camps can be tough. You'll likely be balancing assignments, projects, and deadlines, all while trying to absorb a ton of new information. And let's not forget, many students out there are doing this while holding down a job or taking care of family. But the good news is, if you are willing to put in the effort, the payoff can be huge. Many grads land high-paying jobs within months of finishing their boot camps, making all that hard work worth it. But the most important thing to remember is that you're not alone on this journey. TripleTen understands that sometimes the journey is not easy, and to make it smoother, there is a lot of information on the TripleTen website. For example, in their article, 3 pieces of advice for a student just starting at TripleTen, you'll find 3 pieces of advice from the TripleTen alumni that will help you. Google is your ally. Procrastination is the enemy. Embrace the challenge of final projects. Also, as the article states, at TripleTen, learning online doesn't mean learning alone. At the end of a bootcamp, you have more than just new skills. You have a portfolio, real-world experience, and a clearer idea of whether you're fit for the tech industry. In many cases, you have the direct support of your bootcamp to help you land your first role. For instance, TripleTen boasts that 87% of their graduates find jobs within 10 months and offer a money-back guarantee if you don't. That is a level of confidence you don't see often in education. So while boot camps aren't easy, they're designed for people who are ready to dive in and make a big career leap. But not all boot camps are created equal. Now, let's get into what makes TripleTen different from the other boot camps out there. If you're considering a boot camp, it is important to know why this one stands out and whether it might be the right fit for you. One of TripleTen's most popular programs is their software engineering course, and it is easy to see why. This course is designed to take you from zero to job ready in just 10 months. Let's break down what's included. The course covers everything from front-end development like HTML, SQL, and JavaScript to back-end technologies such as Node.js and databases. You'll also dive into version control systems, API development, and even agile methodologies. It is a complete package to help you build real-world projects. The program is flexible, with a part-time schedule that allows you to learn while working or managing other responsibilities you might have. It is designed for real people living real lives. You'll work on real-world projects like building web applications and APIs, and by the end, you'll have a portfolio that demonstrates your skills to an employer. If software engineering isn't your thing, TripleTen also offers courses in data analytics, UX and UI design, and more. These programs are all designed with the same hands-on, job-focused approach. Another thing that sets TripleTen apart is their learning platform. It is built to make your experience as smooth and productive as possible. The platform is super intuitive, with everything you need in one place. Lectures, assignments, and feedback from mentors. You'll have access to one-on-one mentorship and support from instructors whenever you're stuck. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed. There's also a progress tracker to keep you accountable and on schedule, so you'll always know where you stand. Let's talk about the people who will be guiding you through this journey. TripleTen's instructors are experienced professionals who bring years of industry knowledge to the table. These aren't just teachers. They are tech professionals who's worked in the field and know what employers are looking for. They provide detailed feedback on your projects and are there to answer questions, help with challenges, and make sure you're ready to succeed. One of the biggest reasons people choose TripleTen is their career support. This isn't just about learning skills, it's about landing a job. You'll get help with resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and mock interviews to prepare you for the job hunt. Every student is paired with a career coach who works with you on strategies to stand out to employers. Here's the proof. Some students even get hired before they finish. With hands-on learning, incredible support, and proven career outcomes, it is clear to see why so many people choose TripleTen to kickstart their tech careers. But how do you know if a bootcamp like this is the right choice for you? Let's talk about that next. One of the standout features of TripleTen is the level of support you'll get from their instructors and mentors. These aren't just educators. They're professionals who understand what it takes to succeed in tech. Throughout the program, you'll receive personalized feedback on your projects, real-world insights into the industry, and guidance to help you overcome challenges that you might face. It's not just about learning the material, it's about mastering it in a way that prepares you for a future career. And it doesn't stop at group lessons or lectures. TripleTen provides one-on-one mentorship, so you always have someone to turn to when you need advice. Whether it's troubleshooting a tricky project or preparing for an interview, that level of access can make all the difference. In a fast-paced bootcamp environment, having that kind of support is invaluable. It ensures you're not just completing the course, but building your confidence and truly getting job ready. One of the most important parts about any bootcamp is their career support, and this is where TripleTen really delivers. Their goal isn't just to teach you the tech skills like most bootcamps out there, it's to help you land a job and start a successful career. Once you complete the program, you're paired with a dedicated career coach who works with you on everything from fine-tuning your resume to optimizing your LinkedIn profile. They'll also prepare you for both technical and HR interviews with mock sessions that help you build confidence. This kind of guidance ensures that you're not just job ready on paper, but you are fully prepared to showcase your skills in an interview. TripleTen doesn't stop there though. They connect you with hiring partners, giving you access to companies actively looking for tech talent. You're also encouraged to network with their alumni community, which can really open up doors to referrals and insider advice. And again, the results I feel speak for themselves. Going back to the fact that 87% of TripleTen's graduates land jobs within 6 months of completing the program. That includes both remote and in-person roles at companies ranging from tech startups to well-known tech giants out there. For example, one graduate transitioned from working in retail to becoming a full-stack developer, earning a salary they never thought possible.
What's your name?
Jeremy.
Where are you from?
Tampa.
How much money do you spend per month living in Tampa, including everything?
Between $4,000 and $6,000 a month.
How do you spend it?
I like to travel.
And what's your occupation? What do you do?
I'm a cloud engineer, and I've been a cloud engineer for the past 2 or 3 years now.
And what did you do before that?
I threw boxes in a warehouse.
And how did you switch?
I did TripleTen. I did the software engineering program, and 6 months later, I had a job.
What's your favorite thing about your life right now?
Time. I have so much autonomy, and I get to spend more time with my family and my dogs.
And what is so good about TripleTen Bootcamp?
The curriculum is very comprehensive, but I think what differentiates TripleTen and other boot camps is the community. We have a very big community. The tutors are ready to talk to you. You have other students that are ready to talk to you. And then there's also competitions, like friendly competitions, that you get pretty cool prizes and you can really hone your skills.
And in how many months can you go from throwing boxes to being a software engineer?
I did 6 months. So from when I started the program to when I got my first software job, it was 6 months.
Was it worth it for you?
100%.
If you were to give advice to everyone that's watching that is on the verge of being a software engineer or they find it interesting, what would you tell them?
Just do it. Just make the jump. You will not look back. Commit the time, treat it with respect. But once you do it, you don't look back.
These stories aren't just inspiration. They're proof of what's possible with the right support. TripleTen isn't just about teaching you skills. It's about setting you up for success in your career. Before deciding if a bootcamp like TripleTen is right for you, let's talk about one more thing, the resources they offer. TripleTen offers a library of articles and tools to guide you through every step of your journey. From tips on technical interviews to resume templates. These resources are perfect for anyone looking to make the leap. So let's get real here. Is a bootcamp the right move for you? You really need to ask yourself, am I ready for a fast-paced program like this? Do you want the hands-on experience that leads directly to a tech job? Can you commit the time and the effort it takes to be successful? If this sounds like you, TripleTen might be a perfect fit. And really, the best way to find out is to book a free career consultation and see how their program aligns with the goals you have. Bootcamps like TripleTen aren't for everyone, but for the right person, they can be transformative. So, is a bootcamp like TripleTen the best path for your career? The answer really depends on you. If you're ready to commit to a extremely fast-paced, hands-on program that is focused on getting you job ready, a bootcamp can be a game changer. And with TripleTen, you get the added benefit of personalized support, real-world projects, and that money-back guarantee we talked about if you don't land a job. But no matter what path you choose, the important thing is to take the first step towards your goals. Don't let fear of uncertainty hold you back, because the tech industry needs people like you. If you're ready to explore options, TripleTen is offering an exclusive 30% discount right now. Click the link down in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to book a free career consultation and see if their program is the right fit for you. This could be the start of something amazing.